think I just found a baby dove or pigeon. I'm not really sure. I'll have to do some Googling, but I was putting the chickens away tonight and this little one was flapping around on the ground, and it's dark now, so I made a little nest in a cage with some pine shavings, and I'm gonna just give it a night's rest. I don't know, has some energy in it, but it definitely can't, like, it's gotta be maybe a month old. So I've got it in like a dark little cozy space, and we will reassess the situation in the morning. But I have a feeling that it cannot fly. I'll look for parents in a nest, but I didn't see any. And like I said, it was getting dark. But it's a little cutie, and I will do my best. It came to the right place, because I know what to do. Update tomorrow.